Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can individually adjust the volume level of people in your voice channel. So I'm going to join a voice channel here real quick and I'm going to play some music. Play Wii Sports theme. There we go. So I have already lowered this a little bit because the default 100% is way too loud. But if you'd like to adjust it, all you have to do is right click on whoever you'd like to adjust the volume of. In this case, it's the music bot. Then I can adjust the user volume here. So this is pretty useful, especially if you have lots of people in your voice chat and one person doesn't have lots of volume with their microphone, so you'd like to raise it up. And on the other end, you have somebody whose mic is way too loud that you'd like to lower it down. So that's how you can individually adjust the volume level of people in your voice channel in Discord. It should be noted that this change is only on your end, so other people will have to make the same change on their ends as well. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.